I know this seems insane, but I've genuinely found Photoshop Express for this iPod and it's compatible. So this is iOS 4 and we'll try it out. So click, you get Adobe Photoshop Express. Not a very convincing looking screen. Allow, fix it fast, does your grade shot. Hey, this looks like the official Adobe font. Settings, TwitPic. This is old as hell. Photoshop Express version 1.3, 2009. Keeping in mind this iPod was released in like 2008. Let's go to edit, select photo. Sure. Saved photos, we have our beautiful React bot, our fellow Jax films. Okay, so here we have our main interface. So what can we do? Can we draw? We have selected tool, right? So hey, exposure. Oh, so so you scroll to change the intensity. Okay, so you just one long scroll. Sure. Saturation. Just said exposure again. Okay, so too much exposure. I'm telling you saturation. Saturation. Oh, nice. I am the best color grader ever. Tint. Ooh, colors. That's beautiful. Choose this beautiful cyan color. And black and white. How do you remove? There you go. You get your undo. Contrast. I love me some contrast. Oh my days, this looks actually scary. Sketch. Oh, that's a filter. Soft focus. Ooh. Mysterious. And sharpen. We just keep on adding. Ooh. Spooky. What are these? Effects. Hey look, pop. You just get like a gorilla looking thing. Rainbowish looking. Hey look. Shiny React spot. Oh, white glow. Not the best idea. Vibrant. Yeah, vibrant doesn't look too great. What else? Crop, straighten, rotate, and flip. Crop is straightforward. Straighten. What does that mean? Oh, okay. So it's like basically like rotation. But then you get rotate at the same time. Okay, so it just specifically 90 degrees of rotation. And flip. There you go. It's as simple as that. Very intuitive interface. Then we save our photo. Save and exit, save and upload, save and post it to Facebook, save and post to TwitPic. Right. Save and exit. It's saving the image. And let's see online. I'm pretty sure the servers are dead. Account. I'm pretty sure again the servers are dead. Upload. Photoshop.com. Facebook TwitPic. Photoshop.com. Telling me you could upload your edited pics back then. That sounds epic. Photos. 3, 2, 1, and there is our photoshopped picture officially made on this iPod, which we can use proudly as a lock screen wallpaper. Now when we turn off the iPod and turn it on again, you get your spooky React bot wallpaper. It went from looking like a regular person to whatever the hell this is. There you go. Every time you turn on the iPod, you see this fella. Ace up would be appreciated, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.